Under Missouri's implied consent law, drivers operating motor vehicles on public highways in Missouri are obligated to submit to breathalyzer blood tests whenever pulled over for suspected drunk driving. Typically, the breathalyzer blood tests are part of a drunk driving investigation meant to determine a driver's blood alcohol concentration. Refusing to take chemical tests as provided in sections 577.019 to 577.041 of Missouri legal statutes may lead to automatic suspension of a driver's license. Consequences of refusing a breathalyzer blood test in Missouri. License revocation under Missouri laws. Refusing a lawful request by an officer to take a breath or blood test will lead to a 1-year revocation of driving privileges. The arresting officer will immediately take away your license and provide you with a notice of revocation. The revocation will go into effect after 15 days unless otherwise stated by the circuit court. You have 30 days to challenge the revocation. A driver who's been cited for refusing to take a breathalyzer or blood test in Missouri may file a petition for review at the circuit or associate circuit court where he or she was given the notification. The defendant has 30 days from the date the notice of revocation is issued to request a hearing. If one does not request a hearing within the 30 days, or if the court upholds the revocation at a hearing, the 1-year license revocation period begins. A refusal to take a breathalyzer/blood test in Missouri permanently appears on the driver's driving record. In addition to the revocation, a driver who has prior intoxication-related suspension, revocation, or conviction will be required to install an ignition interlock device for at least 6 months. Such a driver will not be allowed to drive for 90 days, after which he or she can be eligible for limited driving privileges. Besides, the driver must prove that any vehicle he or she intends to drive is equipped with the ignition interlock device.